Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be cleaning out my drawers. It's pretty messy because I always use it for my main stuff, so this is going to be the most messiest drawer. So I'm just going to go in and wipe this out. And literally, like, I have like a few, look at that, that's messy, dude. So I gotta clean this up. Like, my makeup drawers are hideous right now because my daughter likes to play in my stuff. So the top part usually consists of my stuff that I use basically. So I got these from, I think, the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna have this top drawer here like this. I'm probably gonna have one of these here for pencils. Most of the pencils that I have, like, literally I don't have a top to, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them in there. So this is an eyebrow set from NYX that I've had forever, ever since I started even getting into brows, because at first when I was into makeup I never really was into brows, even though that came with the whole territory. As you see, I used up all my wax, but I still have these, and I put a hole in that because I was closer to my color. NYC New York color eyeshadow palette is called Bowling Green. Maybe I can make it work one day. I don't know. We'll see. Top Beauty mini eyeshadow that I got in either an Ipsy bag or a Birchbox. So this color palette is in Sugar Plum, and I did a whole video dedicated to this one palette because I thought it was just so pretty. Look at that. One swatch.
I wanna watch you, Mom.
And this one. Literally the whole thing is beautiful. So next thing is, and here is my Wet n Wild palette that I recently, I believe, did a look on. I'm pretty sure I did. Let's see, Floral Values. Anyway, it looks like this, and I've had this for years, so I really like the old formula of the Wet n Wild shadows plus the lipsticks. Wet n Wild is just a good brand overall. So I got this single shadow here, and looks like this, and I got that from shopmissa.com, and like I said, it's from the brand Princessa. It just says eyeshadow 827. Don't really know what color this is, but this NYC Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And if I put this down, I put that on top of it, girl, be bomb. There's a lot of stuff in here, dude. This is a CoverGirls Eye Enhancers Sabris Fard Accent, I guess. That's what it looks like. It's their little quad. Honestly, to be honest with you, I'm not that in love with this, but anyway, so this is another Maybelline shadow, and called White Hot. Don't I have this already? Hold on, y'all. Oh, okay. So, no, I don't have this already. This one is called Red Hot, and this one's called White Hot. This one's more gold, and this one's a more pale color, if that makes sense. So, that one looks like this. Oh. Well, I mean, and then this one looks like that. So. Down here like so, like this, okay? And use this one. I really wish I could fit this way, you know? Like, I don't think that's going to fit. Let me show you. Yep, nope. Not going to fit that way, so I'm gonna use up from probably something else. Anyway, so now that I got that all cleared out, I am going to start picking at some stuff here. Okay, so this is my eyebrows. Eyebrows, shadows, shadows. I am done organizing. I have not cleaned off this yet, like I need to. But I'm going to do that in a little bit. So what I just did was I put all my concealers, primers, lippy jumbo sticks or whatnot, whatever these are called. This is a highlighter from e.l.f. This is my concealer, jumbo stick from e.l.f. Using all my pencils, and this, well, this can go in here. This, just my Ardell lashes, and I left these, I left these out because I have to clean these. This is from NYX, the green tea blotting papers that I use all the time because I am a very oily girl. Shears in my, what do you call it? Why can't I talk? Shears and my tweezers. There you go. Anyway, so that's the first drawer. That's what I did with that. Then I put all my eyeshadows in here. These are all my blushes and stuff. This is a eyeshadow, and then these are my other Ardell's 116, 111, as well as my Carmex. I believe I showed you guys that as well. Siblings. This is my face stuff, which I have more of, by the way. This is my NYX matte bronzer, and this is my NYX ombre blush. Excuse it. It's been through the ringer, but I'm just going to go ahead and just pop these in because these need to be here. Anyway, so I put my high definition powder from Elf in there, my loose powder from Becca in there, as well as the Vivid Baked Revolution highlighters. This is all my liquid lipsticks. I have stuff from NYX to NYC to ColourPop to what is this? Nabi matte lip gloss, but it's actually a liquid lipstick, and chocolate. And this is from I believe I got this at Forever 21. So yeah. Elf, more NYX. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks, don't judge me. Yeah. And then I put in here all my lipsticks. So everything from NYX to Wet n Wild to let's see, what is Stila? Yep, Stila. And this is all my foundations. This is Acne Clear Difference Advanced Blemish Serum from Estee Lauder. And sorry if I'm sniffling, I just had some hot stuff. This is CoverGirl True Blend in the color D1. And this is my Wet n Wild concealer foundation. Also my Fit Me Matte Poreless, whatever you call it, foundation. I'm gonna try to stick it in somewhere. You know what? I can't even fit it. So anyway, so I have more lipsticks over here. Basically the same. Wet n Wild. What is this? L'Oreal Paris. Whoa! See, it melted. I left it in the car. Let's see. Maybelline, I believe. Orchid Ecstasy. I believe this is. Yep, Maybelline. Y2B. Shop Miss A. There's like random stuff in here. That one's dirty because my daughter keeps playing with it. Bag, makeup bags. So yeah, that is my drawer organization stuff. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to edit this video because, like, literally I've explained stuff to y'all, showed y'all stuff. This drawer is gonna be filled up more, but right now this is just my face stuff. So yeah, even though I have the foundation down there, but I like powders and all that stuff. So like I literally get some of that stuff, like most of that stuff. I have to throw some of the stuff away, but yeah. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload. I haven't uploaded in forever. I know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.